Welcome back to History 365. Today is the 11th of January, a date where empires shifted, science saved lives, secret messages changed world politics, and a small glass rectangle quietly took over humanity. Let's dive in. We begin in 1055, in Baghdad, the heart of the Islamic world. At this time, the Abbasid Caliph was still the religious leader, but real political power was slipping away. On this day, the Seljuk Turks entered Baghdad, ending the rule of the Buyid dynasty. The Caliph remained in place, but now under Seljuk protection. This moment mattered deeply. It marked a shift where Turkish military power became the dominant force in the Islamic world, shaping politics across the Middle East for centuries to come. No dramatic coronation, no big speeches, just one power walking in, and another quietly stepping aside. Next, we move to the 11th of January, 1693, to Sicily, in southern Italy. On this day, one of the most destructive earthquakes in European history struck the island. Entire cities collapsed. Tens of thousands lost their lives, but history didn't stop there. When Sicily rebuilt, it did so in a new architectural style, Sicilian Baroque, which still defines the region today. Destruction reshaped culture, tragedy rewrote the skyline. Sometimes history leaves scars, sometimes it leaves monuments. Now jump forward to the 11th of January, 1917. On this day, the Zimmermann telegram was revealed to the public. It showed Germany secretly proposing an alliance with Mexico, promising territory if the United States entered the conflict. The message shocked Americans. Public opinion shifted almost overnight. This single telegram helped push the United States toward entering World War I, changing the balance of global power. One message, one leak, and suddenly, neutrality was no longer an option. History lesson: never assume your messages stay private. Next, we arrive at the 11th of January, 1922, in Canada. For the first time in history, insulin was successfully used to treat diabetes. Before this moment, a diabetes diagnosis was essentially a death sentence. Insulin changed everything. It turned a fatal illness into a manageable condition and went on to save millions of lives worldwide. Now we move to the 11th of January, 1942, during World War II. On this day, Japanese forces entered the Dutch East Indies, modern-day Indonesia. The goal was simple: secure oil and resources to fuel expansion. This move reshaped Southeast Asia and brought years of occupation, resistance, and suffering across the region. It was a reminder that wars are not just fought in Europe, they echo across oceans, islands, and civilian lives. Finally, we jump to the 11th of January, 2007. On this day, the first iPhone went on sale. At first, people laughed. No keyboard? Too expensive? Who needs the internet in their pocket? Turns out, everyone. The iPhone reshaped communication, work, entertainment, and daily life. It didn't just change phones, it changed human behavior. That's everything that happened on the 11th of January. For more daily history videos, subscribe to History 365, because every single day, the past is still talking. See you tomorrow.